Okay, good morning. Sorry about the wind noise. There's supposedly a hurricane coming through tonight. So the boys are working on finishing up this wall 5 here, and we're going to try to clean up everything and get everything ready and prepped for the hurricane as much as we can. So as you can see, they're putting on caps all the way down through the wall down there, and you're going to come back and do the caps over here as well, and then we'll do our berm behind the wall here, and then we'll start getting everything up to the next wall, which is about right there, so which will be wall 2. Similar wall to this one, maybe just a tiny bit smaller in square foot, but still. And yeah, that's about it. We're gonna get ready for the rain, man. Ready for the rain. So there's a little bit of dirt down there. Yep, that's pretty much it. Get her done. Alrighty, here's a final update for this wall. We got all the caps on it. We went ahead and put a berm behind the caps up there. We're due a remnants of a hurricane, so we went ahead and did that, because the graders aren't going to build the slope until after the hurricane. They're in erosion control mode right now, so they're prepping all of that stuff so when the hurricane does get here. It's supposed to be dropping locally like 2 to 3 inches or something like that, so we're helping them out there, making sure our wall is going to be in good shape through the rains. As you can see, the berm's there, and we even tilted it back so that the water runs to the back of the reinforcement zone, and then we've got it sloped from that end down to that end. So, and the guys came through here and compacted it and all that good stuff. But yeah, we're ready for the hurricane. Only thing left on this one is the graders to build this slope here, and they don't have much work to do. Get her done, and this one's ready for grass. I can move on out of here. You can see, I don't know if you can see it on video, but we did put a berm up on top of this wall as well, but then we made sure we were higher than this drop inlet here. We're pretty high, but there's pretty significant amount of water coming from those pads up there, and then these gullies. There's like ravines all the way up this mountainside here, so I would imagine there's going to be some water come off those. But we bermed this back here so that the water can have time to pool before it goes over the top, and then we sloped this and made a swell down through here to keep it off the face of the wall. So we should be in good shape for the hurricane. So, but that's kind of the final update for this one. Sorry about the wind noise. We're getting gusts of up to 25 miles an hour, I think. So it's been pretty rough. There she is. It is done. All right, on to the next one.